What is it with this bloody weather? Good grief. And welcome back to Dobbo's Fishing Adventures, and here we go, out in the boat. The weather is terrible this weekend. So Southampton Water it is, Saturday, late Saturday afternoon now. I haven't been here long, literally minutes, just got the first rod out. But yeah, absolutely grim. But it's in a good direction to be able to fish Southampton Water. It's west-southwest, gusting 28-mile-an-hour winds. It's got to be a steady 20-mile-an-hour. So yeah, so there's a good 6 blowing. We've had some heavy rain showers come through, but luckily I wasn't out here at the time, so I've got out here in the dry. That's a bonus to start with straight away. But yeah, so what am I going for? Well, I'd like to think a sole. That would be the target, I suppose. But just basically scratching tonight. Don't know what time I'll give it to. Hopefully into darkness, just see how it goes. The wind is supposed to be easing up later. Not a lot, but it is supposed to be easing. So it's got to be done, innit? But yeah, this weather, it just can't make up its mind, can it? It's just, you know, you had a good weekend last weekend, which to be fair was good. But that took, you know, ages to come through, you know, a decent weekend. I would have liked to have done the shore tonight or last night, but not with that southwesterly winds. There's nowhere really sheltered where, you know, you've got a chance of a half decent fish, whatever you're going for. So it had to be the boat, but it was quite comfortable coming down. You know, you beam on, if you stick right onto the high side coming down Southampton Water, yeah, it's snotty, but you beam on, a little bit on the quarter I would say, but can be a bit wet on the side. But it's got to be done, innit? You know, I ain't going to sit at home. I want to do something. So here we are. And let's see if there is a nice little sole about. I've heard 1 or 2 being caught. Oh, there goes my rod now. Probably a bass. You going to go again? No, that was a good little rattle. Yeah, so let's see what happens. So bring it on. Happy days. Well, that rod's bouncing away. Let's see what's on it. Yeah. What we got? The first bass, small little smut. Who knows? Probably a bass that's coming up to the surface there. So certainly isn't staying deep enough. Saying that, it's getting quite heavy now. What are you doing then? Oh, nice bass. Couple of pound. Not bad for first drop. I thought that was only a little schoolie there. Come on. Yeah, nice. Well sizable, but unfortunately it is a nursery area. Don't forget that. Only just, am I going to lift him in, swing him in? Come on, Dobbs. There we go. Oh, easily £2. Nice. Not bad for first drop. Happy days. Well, I'm hoping this bloody wind will drop somewhere. It's absolutely blowing really hard. I've had a few bites on here again. That I did actually weigh that bass. It went £2.10, so not bad for first drop. But I know, yeah, there's something there, I think. Oh yeah, little bass is there. Something there. Anything will do. Go on then. But they are giving the wind dropping down to sort of like 20-22 mile an hour gusts, and then steady 12 to 13 mile an hour, so that's not too bad. Here we go. What we got? Bass. Oh, leads up past the leader. Oh, Nice, lovely little bream. That'll do me. Beautiful. Nice. What a lovely little bream. Well, I say little, it's quite big to be fair. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. Tickety boo. Here we go, absolute ratchet screamer. What we got here? We got a schmutt. Woo, didn't that go? God. As I say, oh, hey, there he goes, there he goes, there he goes. Let the drag, Dobbs, let the drag. I reckon this could be a smut. Trying to keep up with him. Oh, didn't that go? So I just put that bream back, cast this out, and within minutes, that absolutely screamed off. So what we got here? Size 4 Camazans. Starting to stay deep. That is really deep. Come on. There's the leader. What we got? Oh, nice big hound. Nice. Hee-hee. This could be interesting. Hey, go on, you bugger. You're not quite tired out yet. Yeah, nice. That's got to be approaching 10. Oh no. 6, 7, probably 7, 8 pound, not quite double. Swallowed the hook, so. Come on. Come on. Ugh. Sorry about that. It's probably all over the lens. Come on. There we go. There we go. Come on, you bugger. No, probably, maybe nudging 7 pound. Come on. Right, let's get him on hook and get him back down. Well, I have to say that looks a bit grim over there, so I'm going to get a quick bait check in. Hopefully I might just miss the edge of that shower that's come through, but that's pretty black over there. I've had a couple of rattles. I had a smaller Smoothhound earlier. Little pup. Got something on here, but it doesn't seem to be doing much. Well, there's a bit of weight there anyway. What we got? And he's got a Plaice. Oh, it's not quite the target, but that'll do me. There we go. Look, oh, he's greedy git. He's taken both hooks. Happy days. Whee, go on. Not a bad Plaice either, to be fair. Taken both hooks. He's hungry. Right, let's get him off, take a couple of pictures and get it back down there before all that nastiness comes out. Here comes the cruise ship, Iona. P&O. There's one hook out. There's the second one out. Happy days. Right, take a couple of pictures and get that back down. Hee hee, tickety boo. Here we go again, big old ratchet screamer. I think another smut's found the bait. Or has it dropped it? That was absolutely screaming then. Hopefully it's dropped it. No, something there still. Hey, go on then, you bugger. And I'm still only fishing with one rod. I won't bother putting me other rod out until a little bit later, maybe another hour or so, because I don't really want to be catching these fish on the other rod. What we got? Smoothhounds. There we go. Another schmunt. Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Right, let's get him in, get him off. Well, I'd say that possibly that wind's eased a little bit. Got something on here, nothing fighting though. Oh, I don't know. Maybe it's just untangled itself a bit then, but yeah, something there I think. Well, I would say that wind's possibly eased a little bit. Not sure what we got on here. Another smut wrapped up. That's staying deep and it's staying heavy. What is this? Yeah, another smut. Another schmunter. I think that's number 4 now. There we go, another schmut, small little pup, and in it goes. Right. Let's get it baited up and get it back down there. Happy days. Well, I've just put the other rod out. It looks like a bloody smut has possibly taken it, and I may have picked up my other rod. Oh, I didn't want to put this out too early. Maybe I have, but I'm hoping I ain't caught my other rod. Got a feeling I might have, because that's going like a good one. Oh mate, oh, got a mass tangle coming up here I reckon. Oh. Come on. I'll bully it a little bit. No, maybe I haven't got the other rods. No, I don't think I have. So I've got something going on that one as well. Oh. Right, it's round this side now. I know it's a smoothhound, but I wish it wasn't. Alright, catching 1 or 2. Yeah. Don't want it ruining me soul rig, that's the only thing. I would say that wind's possibly eased a little bit now. Oh, nicely in the side, in the scissor there. There we go, another male schmunter, go on. There he goes. Right, let's get this one back out and sort the other rod out. Right, let's check this one. Whilst I was getting that smoothhound in, this has been bouncing away. Bit of weight there, but doesn't feel like anything. Definitely something there, but was it all tangled up? No doubt. Ah, the first doggy. Oh, another species. Oh, I've had quite a lot of fish so far in a few hours. There we go, little dog. Happy days. I think I might have another doggy on here. Feels like a dog. It's curling up like a dog. And it's another dog. Another dog. A few little rattles on this one. Bit of weight on it. Tide's just starting to web now. Not the best time to be fishing this particular mark. I personally think low tide on the flood is better, but I've had plenty of fish either way, but I prefer it that way. What we got on here? Another dog. Another two dogs. Oh, ruining my soul rig, you gits. Double shot of mullered dogs, and it's well tangled. Right, let's get them off. Wow, look at the conditions now. Wind has completely died away like they said it was going to, so no, it's nice. Bit of sunshine there as well. I just had a very light shower come through, but oh, there we go, there we go. I was just going to say I had a bite on that one and ratchet just pulled then. Yeah, so it's been, I'll have to say, it's, oh, go on then. I have to say it's been a good few hours. I mean, it's only bit bashing, but, you know, you're scratching rigs and stuff, but no, it's enjoyable. Makes a change. As I beat me way down here, and as I say, nearly nigh on 28-mile-an-hour winds, but as I say, it's a good boat. Not just a boat, you've got to read everything as well, sort of thing. What we got here? Smut. Yeah, a little smut, look at that. On that, is it the bottom or top? Can't tell. Tangled either way. Right, let's get him in, and then I can get that one back out, because I just noticed the other rod's been going as well then. Like to, when I do hook these, push them against the boat. It just stops them moving. So there we go, that's him out. Yeah, that one's rattling away, but I'll get this one back out and see what's on the other rod. Happy days. Right, that one's back out. Let's have a couple of little rattles on here. Yeah, something there. Another dog, I reckon. Bit of weight there. Certainly isn't what I'm after. Oh, a dog and a pout. Oh well, another species, pout. Oh no, sorry, it's little tiny schmunt. And a pout. Been on there for a little while as well, but looks how it's spinning. Look at that, beautiful. Oh mate, there you go. And we have a pout. He's dead. Still, seagulls, they'll be happy. Plenty of twist in the line. Right, let's get it back down. Oh dear, come on soul, where are you? There could be one here. Bit of weight. We've got another dog. There's the leader. What we got? Doggy, no doubt. Bass and a dog. Little schoolie and a little schmunter. The other rod was going just a minute ago. Come on, open up. There we go. Gone. Oh, there we go. Come on. There we go. Yeah, one. Boom, gone. Right, let's get this one back down. See what's happening on this one. Something there, I think. Another Plaice. I don't know about a soul trip. Tickety boo. There we go, another Plaice. Tiny one, but a Plaice is a Plaice. Happy days. Oh, there he goes. Yeah, hook's still there. Didn't even hook himself, just slid off the hook nicely. That's two Plaice, bring it on. Something going then, screaming off. He's still there. Yeah. It ain't what we want, but I haven't had a single cast yet on either rod where I haven't caught a fish, so I think it might be a smut and it's all tangled in the trace. Check that one. There's the leader. See what I mean? I knew it was tangled in the trace, bringing them up backwards. Go on, go on, go on, go on. You come off, you come off. Cool. What's the bait there, Dobbs? Ah, another schmuck. Stop twisting round one. Thank you. Now you're untangled there. There we go. Another little schmunter. Go on. Oh, up and down. Cool. Here we go again. It's quite consistent. I think another smut, I reckon. Don't they? Hang on. Pull it up before it gets anywhere near my other line. I'm not worried if I lose it. So I just don't want tangles if I can get away with it. There we go, I'll play it now, I'm nowhere near it. There's the leader. Yeah, another one. Oh, he's just cut my leg. Oh no, he hasn't. There we go. That's been down there seconds, to be fair. Literally. Quick unhook, off you go. Happy days. As soon as I get one in, and it's going again. What we got? Something there. It's a pout. Is it a pate? It is a pout. Two pout. What? Look at the size of them. Oh dear. There we go. Another 2-pout. That's telling me it's getting a little bit darker. What is that all about? Look at that. Beautiful. There we go. Gone. Right. Let's get her back down. I'm a bit quiet now. I've got something on here, but don't think it's what we want. No, another pout. Still, I'm blanked on the old drops. I've had a fish every drop so far. Still got a couple of hours to go yet, so I'm hoping. These worms I got from Bill's Bait and Tackles, absolutely perfect. Beautiful worms. They really are nice. As always. Never had a bad worm from Bill's. Right, let's bait up and get it out. Here we go again. Bloody Smoothhound. Oh, they're just a pain. Especially on the sole rod, the sole rig. By the feel of it, he could possibly tangle. Oh no, maybe not, maybe not. Oh no. Take some line. Tide's running now, which is quite good. I think he's untangled himself now. But it's still a pain, I just don't want them. That's the problem when in June you still get sort of like the medium kind of size smuts running on this mark. And it is a pain. I mean, come July you'll just get the little tiny pups, maybe the odd better one, but that's it. Got the old anchor light on now, taking down the black boy, staying deep like a smut, bouncing around. Going right deep now. Oh, I see something then. Yeah, there he goes, right up there. Come on, yeah. Oh, he's on the top one, that's why. They're a nuisance, to be fair. Oh, absolute nuisance. In the scissors. Come on. Come on. There we go. Another schmunter. Gone. Right, let's get it back down there. Oh, these Smoothhounds are getting annoying now. There we go, look at him go. Go on. Getting rather annoying now. I've had enough of them. Go away, Smoothhounds. I think he's tangled up now. Always try and keep it away from the other rod. Especially this time of the trip. That wind's picked up a little bit, but they did say it was up and down, so. I think this now is number 10 smut. Look at him go over the surface all over the place. It's weird, I only seem to be picking it up on this rod though. And this is the one I don't want to pick it up on. Almost looked like it's hooked in the fin there. There we go, I think he was. Happy days. Right, let's get it back down. Well, I think that's about it for me. I've just about had enough. Been a cracking few hours, I have to say. Lots of fish. Wasn't target achieved. No, well, I say that. I've still got 1 or 2 rods in. But target was sold, but I've ended up with 2 Plaice. That nice Smoothhound, a £7.14. I've had bass, black bream, pout. What else have I had? I think that's pretty much it, but I've had a lot of fish. I've only had 2 drops and wound them in with nothing on, so it's been good. So I'm just going to do this one. Might be something on there, bit of weed maybe, but no, maybe not. Nothing on there. Nope. Let's leave that one there for the time being. Let's get this one in. And once again, nothing on here either, or is there? Oh, there might be something there. Take your time, Dobbs. Could be something there. Yes, there is. Oh, I don't believe it. It ain't a soul, but number 3 Plaice. Or is it? It's not flounder, is it? No. There we go. Number 3 Plaice. So no soul, but I'm happy with 3 Plaice. As I say, that first soul Plaice I had was a decent size, but happy days. Oh well. I targeted a flat fish and I've ended up with 3 Plaice, so no soul. Let's just leave them there a second. So yeah, so I'm just going to clear up now, back away, cruise back nicely. Yeah, a lot of fish. Hope you've enjoyed it as much as I have actually catching the fish and doing this little video. As I say, Southampton Water, what a water. It's so diverse. You really don't know what you're going to get. It really is that good a place. So I hope you like it. Please subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you for all your support. Hit the like button, share away, and I haven't really said anything about what's happening next, so I was going to say at the beginning of the video, but I do have another sponsor stroke in association for the channel. It's Wriggler's Bait in Tynemouth in Devon. Really looking forward to working closely with these guys, and they certainly do produce some absolutely top-notch frozen baits. So watch this space. Been chatting to Brendan, really lovely guy. Can't wait to work together. So tickety boo, thank you ever so much. Until next time, will it be the boat or will it be the shore? Who knows? Tickety boo.